Let's talk about a job that's ancient, raising sheep. For thousands of years, people have depended on sheep for wool, meat, and even companionship. It's a tradition that connects us to our ancestors and the rhythms of the land. But not just any sheep, the Jacob sheep. This breed stands out in a crowd, and for good reason. These aren't your typical fluffy white sheep. Next to a Jacob, ordinary sheep look almost plain. Jacob sheep are covered in black and white spots, like a woolly Dalmatian. Their coats are as unique as fingerprints. No two are exactly alike. But what really sets them apart? The horns. These aren't just for show, they're a symbol of the breed's wild spirit. Most sheep have 2, but Jacobs can have 4, sometimes even 6. Each horn grows in its own direction, creating a dramatic silhouette. Imagine a sheep with a crown of horns, majestic, almost mythical. Their origins are mysterious, adding to their allure. Some say they're the sheep from the Bible, others trace them to Norse or Moorish roots. Their story is woven into legends and ancient texts. What's certain is they're a heritage breed, unchanged, unimproved, and a living piece of history. They've survived centuries without losing their unique traits. They're not just livestock, they have presence. When you meet a Jacob sheep, you feel it. Alert, intelligent, and a bit wild. They're always aware of their surroundings, ready to move. Out in the field, you sense their independence. They don't just follow, they explore, making their own way. They're survivors, not just waiting for handouts. Jacobs thrive where other sheep might struggle, adapting to tough conditions. For anyone who values toughness and authenticity, Jacob sheep are rock stars. They embody resilience and strength. Each horn and spot tells a story of resilience through generations. Their markings are like a living family tree. They're more than just a pretty face, they're a testament to survival and character. Every Jacob sheep carries the legacy of its ancestors. When you see a flock of Jacobs, you're looking at living history. It's like stepping back in time. They're not just animals, they're legends in wool. Their story is written in every curl of fleece. Their unique look isn't just for show, it's a badge of their ancient lineage. Every feature is a reminder of their wild past. These sheep have earned their keep, horn by horn, spot by spot. They work hard and ask for little in return. They're a breed apart, and that's exactly why they stand out. In a world of sameness, they're proudly different. If you want a sheep with personality and grit, look no further. Jacobs will surprise you with their spirit. The Jacob sheep is proof that sometimes the old ways are the best ways. Their continued existence is a tribute to tradition and nature's wisdom, and that's why they're still here, thousands of years later, enduring, inspiring, and as captivating as ever. Why choose Jacob sheep? It's not just about their looks. Farmers need animals that are tough, reliable, and low maintenance, and Jacob sheep deliver. They're hardy, naturally resistant to many health issues, and have strong feet that rarely suffer from problems like foot rot. Jacobs are resourceful foragers, thriving on pasture and saving farmers money on feed. Their calm, intelligent temperament makes them easy to handle and manage. They learn routines quickly and make farm life smoother. Plus, they're dual purpose. Their fleece is prized for wool, and their meat is lean and flavorful. Versatility is key. Jacobs offer multiple products from one flock. For small farmers, that's efficiency and sustainability in one package. Jacob sheep are the complete package, tough, practical, and rewarding. It's a smart, sustainable choice for any farm. What's a day like for a Jacob sheep? It's all about routine and comfort. Their main job grazing. They're natural lawnmowers, eating grasses and weeds, keeping pastures healthy. Not picky, they'll eat what others won't, making them easy to care for. In winter or for nursing ewes, they get hay and a bit of grain for extra nutrition. Life on a small farm means space to roam, a social flock, and a clear hierarchy led by an experienced ewe. They communicate with quiet bleats and nudges, exploring, napping, and finding the best clover. At night, they're brought into a secure barn or paddock for safety from predators. Fresh water and mineral blocks are always available. It's a simple, low-stress life, just being sheep. Happy, healthy sheep are productive sheep. Take care of them, and they'll take care of you. That's the foundation of good farming. Jacob sheep thrive in this natural, balanced routine. Lambing season is the most intense and anticipated time on a sheep farm. The barn buzzes with energy and every corner is filled with the sounds of new life. For farmers, it's a period of long days and sleepless nights, but also of hope and excitement as each lamb arrives. Jacob ewes make it easier. They're excellent mothers, often lambing without help. Their calm temperament and natural instincts set them apart from many other breeds. They instinctively find a quiet spot, deliver quickly, and immediately bond with their lambs, ensuring a smooth start to life. Licking cleanses the lamb and starts the crucial mother-baby connection. This first act is essential for both hygiene and emotional bonding. Jacobs often have twins or triplets, and the ewes handle it with remarkable care, making sure each lamb gets enough milk and attention. Their ability to manage multiple lambs is truly impressive. The first milk, colostrum, is vital for the lamb's immunity. It's packed with nutrients and antibodies, giving the newborns the best possible start. Lambs are up and nursing within an hour, instinct in action. Their determination to stand and feed is a testament to the strength of nature. The nursery pen becomes the heart of the farm, full of playful lambs and watchful mothers. It's a place where bonds are formed and personalities begin to emerge. Jacob ewes are fiercely protective, responding instantly to their lambs' calls. Their vigilance keeps the flock safe from harm. Their strong maternal instincts mean higher survival rates and less work for the farmer. Healthy lambs and confident mothers make for a thriving flock. It's a true partnership. The farmer provides safety and support, while the ewes do the rest, raising their young with skill and dedication. These natural instincts haven't been bred out, they're still honest, hard-working mothers. Generations of careful breeding have preserved these qualities. Jacob's sheep prove that ancient genetics make for the best mothers. Their heritage is a living link to the past, and their skills are as valuable today as ever. Raising lambs is tough, but with Jacobs it's a little bit easier. Their reliability brings peace of mind to any shepherd. That's the power of a heritage breed. Resilient, nurturing, and always up to the challenge of motherhood. Shearing day, time for the annual wool harvest. It's essential. A year's growth is heavy and hot, so shearing keeps sheep healthy. Professional shearers work fast and skillfully, removing the fleece in one piece. The sheep are calm, and once shorn, they're lighter and more comfortable. The fleece is gathered and laid out on a skirting table, where dirty or matted parts are removed. Only the best wool is kept for processing. The sheep head back to pasture, relieved of their winter coats. For the farmer, this is the start of turning raw fleece into something valuable. Shearing is hard work, but it's the moment the year's effort pays off. From pasture to table, this is where the wool's journey begins. It's a tradition that connects farmer, sheep, and craft. What's so special about Jacob wool? It's all about color and quality. Jacob fleeces are naturally black, white, and gray, no dyes needed for beautiful, unique yarns. You can separate the colors or blend them for a heathered effect, all from one fleece. The wool is medium fine, soft enough for garments yet durable and elastic. Its crimp gives yarn bounce and warmth without heaviness. Jacob wool is lightweight, insulating, and perfect for everyday wear. It's easy to work with. Low in lanolin, easy to wash, and with a staple length ideal for hand spinning. Both beginners and experts love spinning Jacob wool. It drafts smoothly and produces strong, even yarn. Jacob wool is a fiber artist's dream, versatile, forgiving, and full of character. It's proof that natural beauty and practicality can go hand in hand. That's why it's so prized by spinners and weavers. Turning fleece into yarn is a hands-on process, one that connects us directly to the animals and the land. Each step is tactile, messy, and deeply satisfying for those who love working with natural fibers. First, pick out any leftover debris by hand, tedious but crucial. Bits of hay, seeds, and even the tiniest pieces of dirt must be removed to ensure a clean final product. This step can take quite a while, especially with fleeces straight from the sheep. Next, scour the wool. Soak it gently in hot water and wool soap to remove grease and dirt. The lanolin, or natural sheep grease, melts away, leaving the fibers soft and ready for the next stage. Rinse and repeat until the wool is clean, then let it dry completely. This can take several rounds of washing and rinsing, but it's essential for a soft, workable fiber. Once dry, card the wool, brush the fibers to align them, creating fluffy rolags or bats. Carding not only detangles the fibers but also blends them for a more even texture. Carding can be done by hand or with a drum carder for larger batches. Drum carders speed up the process, making it easier to prepare wool for spinning in bulk. Now comes spinning. Twist the carded fibers into yarn using a spindle or spinning wheel. This is where the wool truly starts to look like yarn. As the fibers are drawn out and twisted together, the spinner controls the thickness and consistency, creating strong, beautiful yarn. Every twist and draft shapes the final product, making each skein unique. It's a rhythmic, meditative craft that transforms raw fleece into something useful. The gentle whir of the wheel and the feel of the wool create a calming, almost timeless experience. Each step requires patience and care, but the result is worth it. The process rewards those who take their time and pay attention to detail. From dirty fleece to finished yarn, it's a journey of transformation. The change is dramatic, and seeing the end result is always rewarding. This is where tradition and skill meet, passed down through generations of makers who value quality and craftsmanship. The end product? Yarn with a story. Each skein a testament to the care, effort, and tradition behind the craft. With hand-spun Jacob yarn, you can keep the natural colors or get creative with dye. The natural palette is stunning, perfect for earthy, patterned knits. But dyeing opens up endless possibilities, especially on white, gray, or black yarns. Dyeing gray or black yarn creates unique, muted shades you can't get anywhere else. Use acid dyes for bright, color-fast results or natural dyes from plants for subtle, organic tones. The process is simple. Soak the yarn in dye, heat gently, and set the color. After dyeing, wind the yarn into skeins ready for knitting or weaving. Whether left natural or dyed, each skein is a product of care and creativity. Holding a finished skein, you know its story, from pasture to your hands. That's the magic of working with Jacob Wool. Every project is a celebration of nature and craft. What do you do with Jacob Wool? Just about anything. Its softness, durability, and warmth make it perfect for sweaters, socks, hats, and blankets. Jacob Wool garments are practical, beautiful, and built to last. The natural colors fit any style, adding rustic elegance to your home or wardrobe. But using Jacob Wool is about more than just great products. Supporting heritage breeds like the Jacob helps preserve genetic diversity and small-scale farming. Every skein supports farmers and keeps these unique animals thriving. It's a direct link between you and the people who care for the flock. Jacob sheep are living history, adapted, resilient, and essential. By choosing their wool, you help keep their story alive. It's hard work, but it's meaningful work. Raising sheep and making wool connects us to our roots. And that's a legacy worth preserving.